Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ginny Jo, and in this video, we are going to discuss the business directory from the member perspective. The business directory is a place where your members can list their in-home or out-of-home business so that your other members can patronize them. The first thing you need to do is log into your member account and navigate to the business directory. On my website, this is under the member resources. Now you can view the other businesses that are already here, either by scrolling through the whole list, or by sorting alphabetically, or by category. Now to add a new business, you'll select the plus a business button over here on the right-hand side. And then fill out the fields with your business details. I think the only one that's required is a company name, but it might be important to add a description and contact information at the very least. You can also check the box to make this business public. You can upload your logo if you have one. And then this is where you put it in the description. And then at the bottom, you have the opportunity to categorize. These categories are entered by your website admin. So if none of them really fit with your business, you could contact your website admin and ask them to add one that better applies to your business. Once you've filled out all of the fields, you would click this button, Save Business. The business will not be immediately visible because all of the businesses have to be approved by your admin. An email is automatically sent to the site administrator so they know that it's waiting approval. If you have already added a business, let's go back to the main list here. You can edit it. Maybe you have a new phone number, or you want to change your little ad or your logo or something. To edit your business, select this gray drop down. Only your previously approved businesses would be here. My family has one business already approved. I'm going to select that one. And then I can edit any of these details to update them. So let's say I change the zip code. Okay, and then I save. That change will be immediately visible here because this business has already been previously approved. This completes the tutorial on the business directory for members. If you have any further questions, please contact your website admin and they'll be able to help you.